Have you ever pondered why healthy boundaries are crucial for your personal growth and happiness? Now, if that question has never crossed your mind, it's high time we delve into this essential topic. Healthy boundaries are like invisible lines we draw around ourselves to maintain balance and protect our well-being. They're not just walls or shields, but catalysts for personal growth, fostering improved self-esteem, increased independence, and better relationships. Imagine a world where your needs are respected, where you can freely express your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. That's the beauty of setting clear boundaries. On the flip side, not setting boundaries can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed or exploited. It's like being on a ship without a rudder, tossed about by the waves of others' demands and expectations. This is not about pushing people away, but rather, it's about defining the space where you begin and others end. Now that the importance of setting healthy boundaries has been established, how do you go about it? Setting healthy boundaries doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be accomplished in a few easy steps. Let's break it down together, shall we? Firstly, it's crucial to recognize and acknowledge your feelings. This simply means paying attention to what you're experiencing emotionally. If you feel discomfort or resentment, it's a sign that your boundaries may be getting crossed. It's important to be aware of these feelings, as they are signals that something needs to change. Don't ignore them. Instead, use them as a guide to understand your needs and wants. Secondly, define your personal limits. This involves identifying what you're comfortable with and what you're not. It's okay to say no. It's okay to prioritize your needs. It's okay to take space. Remember, your boundaries are about preserving your well-being and peace of mind. So take the time to figure out what works best for you. Thirdly, express your boundaries clearly. This step can be challenging, especially if you're not used to asserting yourself. But it's crucial for others to understand what you're comfortable with. Be direct, be clear, and most importantly, be respectful. You're not being selfish. You're simply taking care of yourself. Lastly, enforce your boundaries consistently. This means standing your ground even when it feels uncomfortable. It's normal to feel guilty or worry about other people's reactions at first. But remember, it's not about pleasing others. It's about respecting and validifying your own needs and feelings. Throughout this process, keep in mind that it's okay to adjust your boundaries as your needs change. What worked for you yesterday may not work for you today, and that's perfectly fine. It's all part of the journey. Remember, setting boundaries is a continuous process, not a one-time event. It requires practice and patience. So take one step at a time and remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but striving for progress. Setting healthy boundaries is not just about saying no, it's about saying yes to your well-being and peace of mind. We've touched on the vital role of healthy boundaries in maintaining balance in life and the steps to set them. It's not an overnight process, but a commitment to self-care. Remember, boundaries are your personal rules or limits that you set to identify safe and acceptable behavior from others. They are crucial for mental health, self-esteem, and maintaining positive relationships. You've learned the steps to set these boundaries: self-awareness, defining your boundaries, communicating them effectively, and maintaining them. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but with practice, it becomes natural and empowering. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your needs and feelings. It's not selfish, it's self-love. It's about creating a healthy relationship with yourself and with others. Setting healthy boundaries is a journey towards self-love and respect. Start today and witness the transformative impact on your life.